Welcome to Danny's Den. I'm Danny. Picture this. It's dinner, your phone buzzes, and the school is on the line. There's been an incident with your child, they say, and suddenly the night changes. Your stomach flips. Who do you call first? What do you even ask? You are not alone. Today, I'm going to give you straightforward steps, what school discipline and restraint rules usually mean, how to build a paper trail that actually helps, quick communication moves for partners and co-parents, when to consider legal help, and a tiny playlist to help your household breathe afterward. Quick note, this is informational, not legal advice. For case-specific answers, talk to an attorney in your area. Okay, here's the thing about school rules. They cover everything from warnings and detention to suspension, and in rare cases, safety measures like restraint or seclusion. Feels heavy, right? Here's a practical split. Routine discipline, warnings, detention, behavioral contracts, is usually school-handled. Things get legally sticky when there's physical restraint, injury, abuse allegations, or outside agencies step in. If someone says a staff member used a hold, here's what you ask right away. What technique? What prompted it? And how long it lasted? And ask for that report in writing. If there's video, a witness list, medical notes, get copies. Those pieces are gold when you need to check if the response fit the situation. Documentation is your best friend here. Seriously, write down the details as soon as you can. I know. That feels like a lot when your mind is racing. But those small steps protect your child and give you solid facts to use later. One quick real example, I had a parent call frantic at dinner once. She wrote down the time, the caller's name, and photographed a mark. That short list made the follow-up much faster. Okay, on to talking at home. How you start that conversation matters. Begin with what you know, not what you think. Try, we need to figure out what happened and how to support Sam. Short line. Use we language. Trust me, it changes the room. If your partner is panicked or angry, say this. I can see why you're upset. Validate, then pivot. Can you hold this call while I request the incident report? Splitting tasks keeps things productive. Protecting your child's emotional safety is just as important as getting facts. Tell them you love them. Hear their version, and that adults will handle the grown-up stuff. Short routines help. Bedtime, a calm playlist, a predictable snack. Those anchors ground kids after a chaotic call. Now, when should you pull in an attorney or law enforcement? Not every incident needs that. Consider legal help if there's visible injury, a pattern of similar events, allegations of abuse, or if the school refuses to provide records. If the conduct could be criminal, assault, sexual misconduct, clear neglect, call the appropriate authorities or child protective services. And if police arrive at school, stay calm and ask to be present for any interview with your child when possible. Note badge numbers, officer names, and ask for copies of reports. These details become part of the record if the issue escalates. If you're unsure, a brief consult with an attorney can help you avoid missteps. A call won't automatically lead to litigation. Often it just preserves your options and protects your child's rights. Let's switch gears. Game days and traditions. Game day rituals, whether it's Eagles tailgate or Yankee Sunday, are anchors for families. They can also be flashpoints. Pick 3 simple game day rules and stick to them. 1. No immediate social posts. 2. A calm zone for kids if things heat up. 3. Designate one adult to handle any official issues so the group stays steady. If a sideline conflict starts, step away and model breathing. Coaches and staff respond better to calm. If safety is at risk, call security or campus staff. Do not physically intervene. Curious. Is social media helpful? Short answer, not in the heat of the moment. Save screenshots, yes. Post later, if at all, after you've gathered facts and discussed with your co-parent. Okay, quick checklist you can use right after a school call. Ask for a written incident report and any video. Document calls with date and time. Photograph injuries and save medical records. Avoid immediate social posts.
Keep routines steady. Consult an attorney if there's injury, a pattern, or refusal to provide records.
Before we go, a short playlist to help families reset. Start with Sade to slow down. Add Mary J. Blige for warmth, slide into A Tribe Called Quest for groove, and finish with Alicia Keys or Norah Jones for bedtime calm. Keep it short and predictable so kids know what's coming. To recap, collect facts, protect your child's emotions, use we language at home, preserve a paper trail, and seek legal help when there's injury, a pattern, or noncompliance. And preserve your anchors, those rituals and that playlist, because consistency helps kids feel safe. If you'd like a free 30-minute consultation, email Danielle at thelegalassistancecenter.net to book. If this episode helped, please subscribe to Danny's Den. Let's chat.